Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about if your Razer Synapse 4 is not displaying your battery percentage, how to fix this issue. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there are some reasons that's why your Razer Synapse 4 is not showing your battery percentage. So first of all you need to check the late version of your Razer Synapse 4. Okay, so you can see over here when you run your Razer Synapse 4, and you need to click on your profile icon, and you need to click on settings, and you need to click on generals. When you click on generals, you need to check the version of your Razer Synapse. If your version is older, maybe you are not getting updates, so that's why this problem is occur. So you need to update your Razer Synapse 4 and then you can fix this issue. If each and everything is correct and still you are facing same problem, like your Razer Synapse 4 is not, you can providing you any kind of battery percentage and all, so what you can do, you need to reinstall this software, completely reinstall. So how you need to reinstall? So first of all you need to open control panel. Once you open your control panel, you need to click on programs and features, and you need to select your Razer Synapse and you need to uninstall this one. And once you uninstall this one, you need to visit on Google or any browser Razer Synapse 4 download, and you need to download this software, you need to install it again, and then you will see your Synapse 4 will work for you and it will show all display percentages on your, you can of your devices, mouse, and you can headphones, and each and everything is working well fine. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.